I'm gonna walk over now to my raised bed here. I have some parsley growing. We'll cut some up and I'll show you how to do this recipe. I think that's a pretty good amount, so we'll go with that. So here's the parsley we're gonna be using. It smells so good. Kind of has a lemony smell to it. Delicious. So the ingredients we're gonna be using today, it's going to be, we're gonna be using some pepper, we're gonna be using some garlic, parsley that we picked from the garden, some curly parsley, and some good olive oil. We're gonna dice these peppers very fine. So during the first dice, that's how the size of the pieces are, but we need them finer. So we will continue dicing. I think we have the consistency that I'm looking for. So you don't have to be exact. The only thing you don't want to go over is the cilantro, because the cilantro will overpower the parsley.